friends, this is the Keukenhof Garden in Netherlands. We arrived in the garden for the 2024 season of tulips, which started on the 21st of March and will continue till the 12th of May. Keukenhof, also known as the Garden of Europe, is one of the world's largest flower gardens, situated in the municipality of Lisse in the Netherlands. Keukenhof Park covers an area of 32 hectares and approximately 7 million flower bulbs are planted in the gardens annually. While it is widely known for its tulips, Keukenhof also features numerous other flowers, including hyacinths, daffodils, lilies, roses, carnations and irises. The history of Keukenhof dates back to the 15th century. Countess Jacoba van Byron used Keukenduin, the kitchen dunes, as the hunting ground for the kitchen of Teylingen Castle. Keukenhof Castle was built in 1641, and the estate grew to encompass an area of over 200 hectares. Keukenhof, the park as it is now known, was established in 1949 by a consortium of bulb growers and flower exporters to showcase their products and support the export industry. The park opened its gates to the public in 1950 and was an instant success, with 236,000 visitors in the first year alone. 2024 will be the 75th edition of Keukenhof. During the past 74 years, Keukenhof has developed into a world-famous attraction. Each autumn, 40 gardeners plant the 7 million bulbs, donated to the park by over 100 growers. Planting starts in early October and is usually completed by the 5th of December. The flower beds are synchronized to the different bulb flowerings to ensure blooms throughout the duration of park's 8-week opening. To ensure continuous bloom, 3 bulbs are planted in each location. The shallowest bulb will bloom first for 3 weeks, followed by the subsequent layers. Keukenhof is the international and independent showcase for the Dutch floricultural sector, with a special emphasis on flower bulbs. In the space of 8 weeks, Keukenhof shows what the Dutch floricultural sector has to offer. The park's focus is on the 7 million spring flowering bulbs, which allow the 100 participating companies to show their living catalogue. 500 flower growers present an enormous variety of cut flowers and pot plants at the over 20 flower shows. So, dear friends, please enjoy a glimpse of the 75th edition of the beautiful Keukenhof Garden. I will see you next week with a new video on beauty of the world. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.